How to make delicious lemon drizzle flapjack. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees centigrade, then line a square pan. In a saucepan, you're going to need 160 grams of salted butter. And to that, you need to add 80 grams of soft brown sugar, along with a good 4 tablespoons of golden syrup. Then on a gentle heat, melt it down until the sugar has all dissolved. Then you're going to need 250 grams of oats and the zest of a lemon. Now, if you like the look of my zester, I have put the link in the description. Save the lemon for later because you're going to need that for the lemon topping. Then add in that lovely butter sugar mixture and stir around so it's properly combined. Then you're going to pop it into your baking tray. Now the secret here is to push it out to the edge, but don't make it compact down because that will make your flapjack hard. Then you need to place it into your oven for around about 25 minutes until it's golden and brown. Then you can squeeze your lemon that you had over from earlier and use the juice, because in it we are going to put in approximately 2 tablespoons of ordinary sugar, you know, the sugar you use for tea and coffee, and give it a good mix round. Now when your flapjack is baked, you are going to drizzle this lemon sugar mixture over. Place it all over, and then you need to let it cool and set before you start cutting into it, which I know is hard because it is really delicious. Why not subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way then you'll know where to find this great recipe.